If your front yard needs a little sprinkle of holiday sweetness, add it in with these easy-to-make DIY giant lollipops. DIY giant lollipops are pretty easy to create. To make your own, what you'll need are pool noodles, hot glue gun, colorful duct tape, PVC pipe, Xacto knife, clear cellophane, and wide holiday-colored ribbon. Step 1. Hot glue one pool noodle end to the other, creating one super long pool noodle. Step 2. Once the hot glue is dry, add duct tape around the pool noodles to create the lines for the candy stripes. Step 3. Start rolling the pool noodle in on itself. Add a line of hot glue every 3 to 4 inches as you tightly roll up the pool noodle so it stays completely secure. Step 4. Place the end of the PVC pipe onto the bottom of your pool noodle lollipop and trace. Once traced, use a Xacto knife to cut out a hole the size of the tracing into the pool noodle. Step 5. Put some hot glue on the end of your PVC pipe and place it into the hole you have just carved out of your pool noodle. Step 6. Cut a square twice the size of your lollipop out of your clear cellophane wrap. Place the lollipop in the center of your cellophane and wrap it up just like you would a gift basket. Tie off with a length of festive ribbon in the color of your choosing. Step 7. Place your creation in your grass by hammering down a garden stake until it feels sturdy, then sliding the PVC pipe end of the lollipop down over the stake. Enjoyed this how-to video? Visit howtobuildit.org for more DIY Christmas decorations.